And what will you do with the bequest? Dear little boy, what will you do when my time will come, and I will belong to the grass of ancestry, and will not be here to kiss and fondle you, a homo novus, a new kind of Jew? What will you then do with these burgeoning shelves, which I will leave to you here in these open shelves? Jewels for the weekday, jewels for holiday and Sabbath. Generations have stored a treasure here. What will you then do with the old brown folios, the duty of the law, the life of man, righteous measures and Talmudic legends, and thin, thin books of verse, presents to me from Yiddish princes, kings? My heart tells me that you will not need them, even though of this I am sure you will seek their treasures in other accents, other tongues. And one day, the junkman will come by, a Jew with side locks who, after a bath, looks like the king of spades. He will flood the streets with his nostalgic cry, any rags, any bottles today? Call him in and ask him this: has he a good supply of sturdy cord? And he has not, God forbid, a rupture. Can he carry a heavy load of culture? Then show him your inheritance, the finest paper, and don't forget the souvenir in the cellar, your grandfather's talus and twill, so musty now that even the cat will not deign to play with its tassels or toy with the ribbon. Give a last caress to the smooth silk, as if you were closing my dead eyes, and help the junk man load his wagon. But before he goes, if you wish, tell him the fewest words, like ginger sweetening the air, that you are descended from princes, your granddad a scholar and savant, your father a poet and recluse, and their residue is this wagon load which goes through fire to God. Yeah, well, that poem has stayed with me and has sort of overwhelmed the balance of my life, because it's my answer. My answer is, you're wrong. It isn't going to the junk man, thanks to the Yiddish Book Center, thanks to the collective memory of Jews, of Yiddishists, who have realized what a treasure these Yiddish poets and writers are.